Hey guys, I cannot believe that it's this time of year again. I literally feel like it was 2 weeks ago that it was Christmas. And now we're already back here again. So crazy. Anyway, I thought today we could start off our Christmas looks with a delicious candy cane inspired look. And if you guys leave a comment and thumbs up this video, you never know, next video may be a giveaway. The first step for our candy cane inspired look is a white base. Oh my god, I cannot believe some of the faces that I pull for you guys in this video. It is honestly ridiculous. And when I look at it now, I'm just like, what was I thinking? But anyway, back to the makeup. We have put a white base on using this MAC paint stick, blended it out with a sponge, and you can see that I've drawn those wee lines down my neck as well. We're getting candy cane influence here, right? And my favourite red eyeshadow at the moment. NYX pulled through with this. Such a pigmented eyeshadow. So I am just using this red and putting it in between the white on my neck. And we're going to make ourselves pop. You can see that we're starting to get those candy cane vibes now. And I'm just going to contour my jawline. My double chin decided to make an appearance and make sure that its ugliness can be seen, so we're going to contour that bad boy away. And then we need to contour the cheeks. So basically think of where you would normally put your bronzer and blush. We are going to smack on that red eyeshadow on the cheeks. So you guys can see that we've put on a base layer first. I want it to really flow into the cheeks, so we've put a really thin layer of that red eyeshadow on the cheek area. Then we're putting our second coat on now. Think of how when you paint something or paint your face, you'd put 1 or 2 coats on to get it more intense. That's what we're doing with the cheeks here. So we're putting our second layer on, making them really pop, and blending that into the first layer so it flows into the white a little bit better. I'm also taking the excess on my brush and brushing that up against my hairline. We don't want it to be one little stripe on the cheeks. We want it to kind of flow up into the hairline, and then you guys will see soon what we're doing on the forehead. So now let's contour my nose. I basically have a Squidward nose. I'm not gonna lie, I have a pretty big nose. So I'm going to contour it to make it a little bit smaller and thinner looking, especially when we add that detailing onto the tip. I'm thinking like Rudolph vibes, but I wanted to make it candy cane too. So we're going to make the tip of our nose really pop with a bit of white and a little bit of red as well. Before we get onto the nose, we are going to do our lipstick and then also do our brows. It just gives you a little bit more of an idea of how intense you want to do everything. So we're using this stunning Maybelline matte lipstick. I honestly love this formula at the moment. They're really nice and like a creamy matte, so it doesn't dry out your lips. Oh my gosh, my lips can get so dry, and this is like the best formula for it. It just hugs you, really pops in colour, but it doesn't dry out your lips, which is awesome. So we've put that all over the lips and the brows. I thought, why not just really smear some lipstick into our eyebrows? I'm not gonna lie, this definitely did give me a red tint to my eyebrows for a couple of days. But people were at least looking at my makeup and thinking, she has something interesting on her face. So I'm just making sure that I get a really nice shape. I wanted to go bigger than my natural brow and really make them pop. So you can see I've followed my natural shaping, but really given a nice rounded arch to the brows and flared it out and tapered the ends. So we've got a really bold, intense red brow. And of course we can't forget the eyes. Using that exact same matte red eyeshadow from NYX, we're going to pack it onto the eyes underneath as well and then blend it out. What I really like to do at the moment is kind of flare my eyeshadow out in like a cat eye look, because it makes your eyes pop, but you don't actually have to wear any eyeliner or do anything too intense. So it's literally like the best trick I can recommend for someone that wants to look flawless but not have to put too much effort in. You can see it's all nice and blended now. And now let's add some detailing onto my forehead. I honestly felt like my forehead looked so big before I did this because it was just like all white and the rest had red on it over my face. So we are going to think of like candy cane drips. That's what I was going for anyway. You could think of anything and put it on your forehead if you want. So I've basically drawn little red lines, and because it's mixing in with the white, you can see that it's a little bit more pinker looking. So what I'm going to do soon is go back over top and add some more detailing of a second layer of that red, so it kind of gives you a bit more detailing and definition onto that forehead part. I don't even know what to call it, like forehead drips? That sounds so weird though. Also, if you guys have any ideas of what videos you'd like me to film next, couldn't even say the word film for a second there, leave a comment down below and let me know. I think the next video will hopefully, if you guys like and subscribe, be a giveaway video for Christmas, and then I'd really like to film a glamorous look. But if there's any more theatrical looks that you guys want to see, whether it's like Santa, Rudolph, I don't know, a Christmas ball, leave a comment and let me know, because I'd like to see what you guys want me to do. Now, onto the nose. So you guys can see I'm literally just drawing lines. We're doing like a twist on Rudolph's nose. So I kind of did like a Christmas mashup really for all of this look. I was like candy canes, but then take Rudolph and put it in there, and I don't know, candy cane drips, and we've just got a bit of everything really. So I've added those red lines, and then we are going to add the white detailing over the face now. So I thought we could add some really cute little white freckles over the cheeks. So dotting those on now with this LimeCrime eyeliner. I find that this is so durable, which is really nice because a lot of white eyeliners aren't as durable and they kind of crack on the skin, whereas this one here is just perfect. And we also want to add some stripes onto the nose and the forehead part as well. So just randomly dashing that through the red to really make the look pop. This look honestly made me so happy to be filming makeup looks again. And the last and final touch is going to be some white pencil eyeliner by MAC again, and our waterline to make the look pop. I really hope you guys enjoyed my first Christmas video. I had so much fun filming, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!